Hi friends, in this video we will unbox Intex BT-100 TUF Bluetooth speakers. So here's the retail packaging of the Intex BT-100 TUF Bluetooth speaker. We bought it for around 600 rupees. You can see some information on the box. There are the technical specifications and the packaging content in the backside of the box. Now without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. Here's our Bluetooth speaker itself. There are two accessories. One is a micro USB cable that is used for charging, and this is the 3.5 mm connector. The charging takes around 4 hours. Now let's come back to the Bluetooth speaker itself. On the top you can see 4 buttons. The one is the power button / the mode button and volume rockers, and a button to take the calls. Now let's power on the device.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You can see a small LED blinking at the down of the Intex logo. Okay guys, that's it for unboxing and overview. If you liked my video, please subscribe. It will greatly encourage me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.